So hello friends, welcome back. Today we have another question from physics, and today I won't tell you the answer. I will just tell you the method. So you have to solve it. You have to write the answer in the comments, and then we will discuss. Okay. So this is a good question for NEET, JEE-NEETs, and JEE Advanced. The question is like this. So there are so many resistances. The circuit goes up to infinity. This is R1. This is R1 by 2. Or you can take any other ratio. We should do a method. That's it. This is R2. This is R2 by 2. Each of the resistances is becoming half. This is R2 by 4 up to so on. So this is the infinite series resistance, and you have to find the net resistance. So suppose the resistance of the whole circuit is X. If it is X, if I forget this first part, what do I have? So I have this circuit. This is R1 by 2, R2 by 2, R1 by 4, R2 by 4 up to so on. So as you can see, from infinity I have removed the first part. It doesn't matter much, right? If you remove the first part from infinity. But you can see the first resistance here is R1. Here it is R1 by 2. The second resistance is R1 by 2. Here it is R1 by 4. So similarly R2 by 4, R2 by 2, R2 by 4, right? By 2 by 4. Yes. So you can see every resistance in the previous circuit and the later on the second circuit, it is half. Yeah. So in the second circuit, every resistance is half of the initial value. Both the circuits are up to infinity. Yes. So if the whole resistance is X here, it will be X by 2 here. Right. So I can redraw this circuit as R1, R2, and in parallel you will get X by 2, and the whole circuit here it will be X, right? Otherwise, if all this all the resistances were same, not half, which is consecutively just becoming half, so then you would have to consider this as X. Again, it is as X only, right? But it will be X by 2 here. So I hope the funda is clear. Now you can see these are in parallel, and this is in series. The whole resistance is again X. You will get an equation, and then you will find the answer for X. And that is what is needed to be found, right? So you tell me the answer, write in the comments, solve it, share the photo or whatever, right? We'll meet in the next class. Share this video with all your friends, and till then, just keep practicing. Yeah. So practice will make you perfect. That's it. Practice as many questions as you can, and have faith in yourself that you can do it, and something good will happen. If you put your 100%, something good will definitely happen. Okay. So thank you so much for joining. All the best.